everyone, I'm Christopher. Welcome to a new episode of English in Daily Life. Before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Let's jump right in. Today's topic is something we all feel every day, our emotions. You'll learn how to talk about your feelings in simple English. We'll practice new vocabulary, easy sentences, and a short conversation. Let's begin with the most common feeling words. Repeat each word after me. Happy. Sad. Tired. Excited. Angry. Nervous. Hungry. Cold. Hot. Bored. Now let's use them in simple sentences. Repeat after me. I feel happy today. She is sad because it's raining. I'm tired after work. He is excited about the trip. I feel angry when I lose my keys. She is nervous before the test. I'm hungry. Let's eat something. It's cold. I need a jacket. It's hot outside. I'm bored. Let's watch a movie. Now let's practice a short conversation using these words. I'll say both sides of the conversation. Repeat each line after me. Hi, how are you today? I'm good, but a little tired. Oh no, why are you tired? I went to bed late last night. I understand. I feel tired too sometimes. Let's take a break and relax. Good idea! Great job. Now it's your turn. Pause this video and try saying the full conversation by yourself. You can even practice with a friend. Let's learn how to ask and answer questions about feelings. Repeat after me. How are you today? How do you feel? Are you okay? Why do you feel that way? What makes you happy? And here are some answers. I feel great today. I'm okay, just a little tired. I feel nervous before big meetings. I feel happy when I listen to music. I feel bored when I stay home all day. Now it's time for your daily challenge. Say 5 sentences about how you feel right now. Here's an example. I feel excited. I'm a little tired. I'm happy to learn English. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel proud of myself. Now try it yourself. Pause the video and speak out loud. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Here's today's learning tip. Every night before bed, say 1 sentence in English about how you felt during the day. For example, today I was happy because I finished my homework, or today I felt tired after work. Simple practice like this can help you build real fluency. You did great today. We learned vocabulary, practiced a real-life conversation, and talked about our feelings. This is how we use English in real life. If this episode helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More beginner-friendly lessons are coming soon. I'm Christopher, and I'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, practice makes progress. Bye for now.